Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. St. Bernard Avenue in New Orleans stretches from the Treme area toward Gentilly, cutting through neighborhoods that have played major roles in the city's African American, Creole, and working class history. This avenue developed during the 19th century as New Orleans expanded beyond the original French Quarter. It became a major residential and commercial route, especially for Black and Creole communities, who were often restricted by segregation and housing policies to certain parts of the city. Over time, St. Bernard Avenue grew into a backbone for daily life, lined with homes, churches, schools, corner stores, and social clubs. One of the most important features of St. Bernard Avenue was the Desire streetcar line. Introduced in the early 20th century, the Desire line ran down this avenue and became one of the city's busiest routes. It carried workers, families, and musicians between neighborhoods and job centers. The line later gained national recognition through Tennessee Williams' play A Streetcar Named Desire, which took its name from the route rather than a fictional idea. St. Bernard Avenue also sits near Treme, one of the oldest historically Black neighborhoods in the United States. This area is closely tied to the development of jazz, civil rights organizing, and Black mutual aid societies. Many residents along St. Bernard Avenue were part of the city's cultural backbone: musicians, laborers, educators, and activists whose influence extended far beyond their neighborhoods. Hurricane Katrina in 2005 marked another major turning point. Flooding caused extensive damage along St. Bernard Avenue and surrounding neighborhoods. Many residents were displaced, and recovery was uneven. In the years since, the area has seen rebuilding and redevelopment. Today, as we drive along St. Bernard Avenue, you'll see a mix of historic homes, newer construction, vacant lots, schools, and local businesses. Some blocks feel busy and active, while others remain quiet, reflecting the long recovery process the area continues to experience. Thanks for watching!